Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we break down SEC filings, not to bore you to tears, but to find out if these companies are actually worth your time or your hard-earned cash. Today we're diving into Tectonic Therapeutic's latest filing, and let me tell you, it's got some interesting tidbits about their financial health and where they're headed. Before we jump in, if you like getting these straight-up, no-nonsense insights into company reports, make sure you're subscribed and join our Discord community linked in the description below. We're building a great group there to talk all things investing targeted to company reports. Make sure you're subscribed and join our Discord community linked in the description below. We're building a great group there to talk all things investing tidbits about their financial health and where they're headed. Before we jump in, if you like getting these straight up, no nonsense insights into company reports, make sure you're subscribed and join our Discord community linked in the description below. We're building a great group there to talk all things investing. So what have we got here? It's a current report on Form 8K filed on August 7, 2025. These reports are typically used by companies to disclose material events that shareholders should know about. Think of it as the company shouting out important news. Tectonic Therapeutic Inc. is listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker TCX. This tells us they are a publicly traded company and their stock is available for anyone to buy or sell on one of the major stock exchanges. Now for the juicy part, the company announced its financial results for the quarter that ended on June 30, 2025, and also gave a general business update. This is where we get a peek under the hood of how Tectonic Therapeutic is performing. They also updated their corporate presentation. This is what they use when they talk to investors and analysts. It's basically their sales pitch for the company's future prospects. Companies use these presentations to explain their strategy and highlight their achievements. The filing mentions a press release with these results as Exhibit 99.1. Press releases are often a bit more polished and positive than the raw data in the filing itself. They want to put their best foot forward. And then there's Exhibit 99.2, the corporate presentation. This is where they try to tell a compelling story about why investors should be excited about Tectonic Therapeutic. It likely details their pipeline progress and future plans. This section just confirms the exhibits that are being filed with this report, the press release containing their financial results, and the corporate presentation. And here we have the signature. It's signed by Daniel Lochner, the Chief Financial Officer. This means the financial information has been reviewed and approved by the company's top financial officer. So let's talk about what this all means. Based on this filing, Tectonic Therapeutic dropped some financial news and an updated investor presentation on August 7, 2025. The big focus here from my perspective is understanding the financial results for the quarter ending June 30, 2025. While this specific 8K doesn't contain the actual financial tables, it references a press release and a corporate presentation that do. These are the places where we find the numbers that tell us if Tectonic Therapeutic is growing, losing money, or stabilizing. Typically, companies use 8Ks to highlight significant events, and financial results for a specific period are definitely significant. The fact that they are providing updated corporate materials suggests they are actively engaging with the investment community, perhaps to explain their performance or future outlook. Now imagine you're looking at the actual financial results that would be in that press release or presentation. What are we looking for? We want to see revenue growth. Are they selling more of their therapies or products? We also want to see their expenses. Are they spending wisely, or is the company burning through cash too quickly? For a company like Tectonic Therapeutic, which is likely in the biotech or pharmaceutical space, a key metric will be their cash burn rate and how much runway they have left, which is how long they can operate before needing more funding. We also want to see any progress in their drug development pipeline. Are there experimental treatments moving forward through clinical trials? That's what drives future value in these types of companies. Let's think about it from a Warren Buffett perspective. He would look at the underlying business. For Tectonic Therapeutic, that means understanding their scientific breakthroughs, their intellectual property, and the market for their products. He'd also look at the management team. Are they competent? Are they honest? And do they have a clear vision for the company? He'd also want to know if they're making money or if they are on a clear path to profitability. Without the detailed financial tables in front of us from this 8K, it's hard to give a definitive judgment on their financial health. However, the act of releasing these updates and materials signifies a proactive approach to investor relations. It's a management team that wants to communicate their story. A key risk for any company in this sector is regulatory approval. Delay or failure to get a drug approved can be devastating. Another risk is competition. If other companies have similar or better treatments, the market share Tectonic Therapeutic can capture might be limited. From an opportunity perspective, a successful drug launch or a breakthrough in their research could lead to massive growth and significant shareholder returns. In terms of company direction, if they are reporting positive financial trends and showing progress in their pipeline, it suggests they are on the right track. If the numbers are negative and they are not showing advancement, it could signal challenges ahead. Ultimately, the story here is about the science and the business execution. Are they translating their scientific discoveries into a viable business that can generate revenue and profits? To give you a more concrete example, imagine Tectonic reported a 20% increase in revenue in their press release. That's not just a number. It could mean they launched a new therapy that resonated well with doctors and patients, or that their existing products are gaining more market share. Conversely, if they reported a significant increase in R&D expenses without a corresponding increase in their observable pipeline progress, that could be a red flag. It might suggest they are investing heavily but not necessarily seeing the returns yet, which is common in this industry but needs careful monitoring. So what's my take on this filing? It's a disclosure of essential information that tells us Tectonic Therapeutic actively managing its corporate communications. The real substance for investors will be in the details of the financial results and the corporate presentation. We need to see those numbers, the revenue, the expenses, the cash position, and the progress on their drug development to truly assess the company's health and future prospects. This 8K is like the table of contents for the important information we need to analyze, but the detailed chapters are in the exhibits. What's clear is that they are trying to present a positive image and update stakeholders, which is a normal and expected part of operating as a public company. What do you think about Tectonic Therapeutic based on this update? Are you more curious to see the financial data or the strategic roadmap in the presentation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And don't forget to join our Discord server. Everything you need is in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.